Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's session. Today we are going to learn about multiplication of monomial with binomial. Multiplication of monomial with binomial. We already learned in previous class what are the different types of algebraic expressions like monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, polynomial. Now let's see how we can multiply these different types of algebraic expressions. As we all know, monomial is nothing but one term. An algebraic expression which contains only one term. Binomial is nothing but an algebraic expression which contains two terms. Like trinomial means an algebraic expression which contains three terms, I said. Now let's see how to multiply these different types of algebraic expressions. In that, first we will see how to multiply monomial with binomial. See, they give some condition over here. By following this condition, we need to multiply monomial with binomial. See what condition they said? The multiplication of a monomial with binomial can be multiplying each term in the binomial with the monomial. Means binomial which contains two terms. Those two terms also, each term in the binomial. Only two terms are there in binomial. Those two terms also we have to multiply with monomial. That is the condition. Let's see more about this with the help of example. So let me take one example over here. I am taking here 5x into 3xy minus 5xy square. Yes. Here no symbol bracket is nothing but multiplication method. Yes, here we are going to multiply monomial with binomial. 5x, it is only one term. Product of constant variable, single term monomial. Here I can see two terms, they are separated with minus symbol. Monomial into binomial. So what they said, multiplying each term in the binomial with the monomial. Means with this monomial, we need to multiply each and every term of binomial. First multiply monomial with first term of binomial. Then multiply monomial with second term of binomial. So each and every term of binomial we need to multiply with monomial. Let's see better solution. I said first multiply monomial with first term of binomial. Monomial 5x is multiplied with first term of binomial 3xy. Next, multiply monomial with second term of binomial. First multiply symbols. Here no symbol, plus symbol. Plus into minus, it will give us minus. Now multiply monomial with second term of binomial 5x. Yes, keep the bracket after minus. Monomial 5x is multiplied with second term of binomial 5xy square. That is the first step. Hope it is clear. What did it better? Monomial, multiply the monomial with first term of binomial. Then I multiplied symbols, plus into minus, minus. Now monomial is multiplied with second term of binomial. Second term of binomial. Now first multiply symbol. Now you can see multiplication of monomials. Already we learned previous class multiplication of monomials. First multiply the constants. 5 3s are 15. Then multiply same variables. X, same variable. So when you multiply same variables, write only one variable and the power is obtained from sum of the powers and the resulting power is obtained from sum of the powers. 1 plus 1 which gives 2. Any same variables more? Not there. Only y left, y right as this. Next minus. Again we need to multiply monomial into monomial. First multiply constants. 5 5s are 25. Now multiply same variables x into x. When you are going to multiply same variables, write only one variable and the resulting power is obtained sum of the powers. 1 plus 1, 2. More any same variables? Not there. Only y term is only 1. Write y power things as it is. That's all. Now open the bracket. Only one term is there. 15x square y minus 25x square y square. So that is the way we can multiply monomial with binomial. Each term of binomial multiply with the monomial. Let's see one more example now. Suppose if I want to multiply minus 3x with 5a minus 3b. Even here also we can see product of monomial with binomial. So multiply each and every term of binomial with monomial. First we multiply monomial with first term of binomial. Multiply monomial first minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, 3x multiply with 5a. Then next again multiply monomial with second term of binomial. First multiply symbols minus into minus plus. Then next multiply 3x into 3b. 3x into 3b. Yes. Minus symbol to write here. 3 5s are 15. Multiply same variables. There is no same variables. Different variables are there. Write them with product. That's all. Plus now multiply constants. 3 3s are 9. Multiply same variables. There is no same variables. Those different variables only write together with product. Yes. This is the way we can multiply the monomial with binomial. Let's see one more example. I am taking here minus 5a square b into minus 2ab plus 7by square. Even here also we can see the product of monomial with binomial. Multiply each and every term of binomial with monomial. Now first multiply the monomial with first term of binomial. In that multiplication, first you can multiply symbols minus into minus plus. Then multiply 5a square b, 5a square b into 2ab, 5a square b into 2ab. Now multiply monomial with second term of binomial. First multiply symbols minus into plus minus. Then multiply 5a square b with 7b by a square. 5a square b multiply 7b y square. Hope it is clear. Just I multiply monomial with first term. Then again I multiplied monomial with second term of binomial. First I multiplied symbols minus into minus plus. Then monomial with first term. Again I multiplied symbols minus into plus minus. Monomial into second term of binomial. Now multiply this both. Multiply constants 5 2s are 10. Multiply same variables a, both are same variables. Write only one variable and the resulting power we can write sum of the powers 2. If there is no power 1, 2 plus 1 3. Again same variable is there b. If there is no power 1, if there is no power 1, so resulting power is obtained from sum of the powers 1 plus 1 2 we can write minus. Now multiply this both monomials. First constant beta 5 7s are 35. Now multiply same variables a. Here there is no a term, so write as it is a square. b like same variables are there. Power 1. So when we have same variables, write only one variable and power is obtained from sum of the powers. Any like terms, any same variable with y, no, only one there, write as it is y square. So this is the concept to multiply monomial with binomial. Simple logic beta. Multiply each and every term of binomial with monomial. In that process, first multiply symbols, then multiply constants, then multiply same variables. X same variable is there, write only one same variable, and the resulting power is obtained from sum of the powers. Here y there is no same variable, only one, write then one variable only. Hope it is clear. Yes children, just to explain how to multiply monomial with binomial. Now let's see multiplication of monomial with trinomial. How can we multiply an algebraic expression of one term with three terms? Now let's see multiplication of one algebraic expression which contains one term, I mean monomial, and algebraic expression which contains three terms with trinomial. Let's see some conditions again here. The multiplication of monomial with trinomial obtained by multiplying each term in a trinomial with monomial. Same like previous. See here, trinomial is nothing but which contains three terms. Those three terms also we need to multiply with monomial. In the three terms, each and every term multiply with monomial to get the result. Now let's see more about this with the help of one example. Yes, I'm taking here 5pq minus 7q. It is binomial. Sorry, we have to multiply with monomial, no? Sorry. Yes, I'm taking 5pq into 7q square minus 3p square q square. I want to multiply monomial with trinomial. Let me take one more term plus 5pq. Yes, this I want to multiply now. Let's see here. Yes, we are multiplying monomial with trinomial. Only one term. This algebraic expression which contains three terms. First term, second term, third term. Terms of algebraic expression are separated by either plus or minus symbol. Now to multiply this monomial with trinomial, multiply each term of trinomial with monomial. In that process, first multiply the monomial with first term of trinomial. Plus into plus, plus only here. Now multiply monomial with first term of trinomial. 5pq into 7q square. Then what next? Multiply the monomial with second term of trinomial. Multiply monomial with second term of trinomial. First multiply symbols better here, no symbol plus. Plus into minus, minus. Then multiply monomial 5pq after the minus or plus whatever it, keep it bracket. Multiply monomial 5pq into second term of trinomial 3p square q square. Sir, what about this minus? I already multiplied. Plus into minus, minus, and this minus is applicable for whole whatever is there bracket. Now close the bracket. Next, monomial is multiplied with last term of trinomial. Last term of trinomial. First multiply symbols plus into plus, plus. Then multiply monomial with last term of trinomial. 5pq into 5pq. That is the way we can multiply. What it will be better? Each term of trinomial I multiplied with monomial. First I multiplied monomial with first term of trinomial. Then I multiplied symbols plus into minus, minus. Then monomial is multiplied with second term of trinomial. Again I multiplied symbols plus into plus, plus. Monomial is multiplied with last term of trinomial. Now simplify this. Multiply monomial into monomial. First multiply symbols 5 7s are 35. Then multiply same variables. P only one variable, write only one variable. Q same variables are there, write only one variable, and the resulting power is sum of the powers. If there is no power 1 plus 2 3 will become the resulting power. I said multiply constants 5 7s are 35. Then multiply same variables. P there is no same variable, only one, so write that only one. Q same variables are there, so write only one variable, and the resulting power is sum of the powers. Similarly, you can simplify this. Multiply this monomial into monomial. Multiply constants 5 3s are 15. Now multiply same variables. P both are same variables. Write only one variable, and the resulting power is sum of the powers. If there is no power, 1 better. 1 plus 2 3. Now multiply same variables. Q same variables are there, and the resulting power is sum of the powers. If there is no power 1 plus 2 3, like that. Now see one more plus multiply constants 5 5s are 25. Same variable P same variable is there, write only one variable, and the power is obtained from sum of the powers, and the resulting power is sum of the powers. 1 plus 1 2. Next Q same variable is there, write only one variable, resulting power is sum of the powers. 1 plus 1 2. That is the way we can multiply monomial with trinomial. Hope it is clear for everyone. Let's see more about this with the help of one more example. I'm taking here 3 by 5 a square multiplied with 5 by 2 ab plus 3 a square b square minus 4 a square c. Now even this also about the product of monomial with trinomial. See 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there. Product of monomial with trinomial. So each and every term of trinomial multiply with monomial to get the product of these two. Now see what is the solution. First multiply monomial with first term of trinomial. So multiply monomial with first term of trinomial. No symbol plus. Plus into plus. Plus symbol is there. If no symbol means we have plus symbol better. Now multiply monomial with first term of trinomial. 3 by 5 a square into 5 by 2 ab. Keep in bracket. Next multiply monomial with second term of trinomial. Monomial is multiplied with second term of trinomial. First multiply symbols. No symbol plus. Plus multiplied with plus. Result is plus. Now multiply monomial 3 by 5 a square. Keep bracket I sorry. Monomial is multiplied with second term of trinomial 3 a square b square. Again monomial we need to multiply with third term of trinomial. Multiply symbols plus minus. Plus into minus minus. Start the bracket. Now multiply monomial with last term of trinomial 3 by 5 a square. Yes, you can write 3 by 5 a square into 4 a square c. Now let's multiply this product. Multiply constants 3 by 5 into 5 by 2. Multiply their numerators and multiply the denominators. 3 5s are 15, by 5 2s are 10. So we can write 15 by 10. Now multiply same variables. A, same variables are there. A power 2 if there is no power 1. So how can I multiply same variables better? Write only one variable and the resulting power is sum of the powers 2 plus 1 which gives 3. More any same variables? Yes, only one variable is there b. Write that one variable with product. Then multiply these two monomials. First multiply the constants. Plus 3 by 5 into 3. 3 3s are 9 by 5. So we can write here 9 by 5. When multiplying monomial with monomial, first multiply the constants, then multiply the same variables. Here the same variables are a, both are same variables. So write only one variable and the resulting power is sum of the powers 2 plus 2, 4. More any same variables? No. Different variable which is b. Write that as b is product 3 power 2. Now multiply these two together. Minus. Multiply this monomial with monomial. First multiply the constants. Multiply numerators. 3 4s are 12 by 5. So we can write here 12 by 5. Don't get confused here. If there is no denominator, we can write by 1 also. Multiply constants. Multiply the numerators. 3 4s are 12. 5 1s are 5. 12 by 5. Then multiply same variables. A, same variable is there. Write only one variable and the resulting power is sum of the powers 2 plus 2, 4. 4. More any same variables? No. Different variables? Is there one different variable? C. Write it as it is. This is the way we can multiply monomial with trinomial. Let's see more about this with the help of one more example. Let me take here minus 6 ab into minus 3 by 2 a square plus 5 ab square minus 9. That's all. Now we can see multiplication of monomial with trinomial. Same process. Multiply monomial with first term of trinomial. Multiply monomial with second term of trinomial. Multiply monomial with third term of trinomial. First, let's multiply monomial with first term of trinomial. First, multiply symbols. Minus into minus, plus. then multiply 6ab, multiply with 3 by 2 a square, 3 by 2 a square. I multiplied this both by the first time multiplied symbols minus into minus plus, then multiply monomial with first term of trinomial. Now multiply monomial with second term of trinomial. First multiply symbols minus into plus minus 6ab, keep in bracket 6ab into 5ab square, sorry 6ab into 5ab square. Now monomial is multiplied with last term of trinomial, minus into minus plus 6ab into a, we can write here 6ab into a. Now multiply and simplify this. Here there is no denominator by 1. We can multiply numerator 6 3s are 18 by 1 2s are 2. Now multiply same variables. Variable a power 1, variable a power 2, a same variable. Write only one variable and the resulting power is sum of the powers 1 plus 2 3. Next b, any same variables more? No, different variable which is only one b, minus. Now multiply this monomial into monomial, multiply constant first 6 5 is 30, then multiply same variables a no power 1 no power 1, so same variables you can multiply now, write a and the resulting power is sum of the powers 1 plus 1 2. Next b is the same variable and the resulting power 1 plus 2 which is 3, minus plus, multiply constants only one constant 6, multiply same variables a, so resulting power is sum of the powers 1 plus 1 2. Now only one variable b. So this is the process you can proceed to multiply monomial with trinomial. What is the simple logic? Multiply each and every term of trinomial by the given monomial. Yes, children, let's see more examples about the product of monomial with binomial or monomial with trinomial. See here we can see one example better, multiplication of monomial with monomial. Yeah, let's see one example how to multiply this monomial with monomial, binomial with monomial and more about this. See one taking solution. First one I am explaining here. 2 by 3xy. Yes, they are asked to multiply 2 by 3xy. Multiply with minus 9 by 10 x square y square. It is completely only one term monomial. Only one term monomial. In between no plus minus. I said algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, terms will separate either plus or minus symbol. In between no plus minus. No plus minus. So it is completely one term monomial. Completely one term monomial. Just it is multiplication of monomial with monomial. What is the concept I explained while multiplying monomial with monomial? First multiply the symbols. Plus into minus. Here no symbol plus better. Plus into minus. Minus. Then multiply constants. 2 by 3 into 9 by 10. Forget about symbol. I took already here. Plus into minus. Symbols. Forget about symbols now. Plus into minus. I multiplied. I got minus. Then multiply constants. 2 by 3 into 9 by 10. Now multiply same variables into same variables x power 1, x power 2, x power 1 into x power 2. Same variables. More we can say same variable y. If there is no power 1, y power 1 into y power 2. Yes. First I multiplied symbols, then I multiplied constants, then I multiplied same variables. Different variables there, we'll write beside the product. Now let's see beta. Minus 2 9s are 18 by 3 10s are 30. Here when we are multiplying same variables, write only one variable and the resulting power is sum of the powers 1 plus 2 which gives 3. Y power 1 into y power 2. While multiplying same variables, write only one variable and the resulting power is sum of the powers 1 plus 2 3. This both we can simplify. Common factor is 6. 6 3 is 18, 6 5 is 30 minus 3 by 5. This x power 3 and y power 3. Is it possible to multiply this both? No, we can multiply only same variables. Here there are different variables. No, write them as it is. That's all. Now next we will see one more. A plus b into, yes, this we can multiply a plus b into 7a square b square. Yes. In between we have plus symbol beta. Two terms are there, binomial. Only one term, monomial. The product of binomial with monomial. So when multiplying this binomial with monomial, multiply the monomial. Take the monomial first. The reason which contains less number of terms compared to this binomial. So take the monomial, multiply the monomial with each and every term of binomial. Monomial is multiplied with first term of binomial. This both we can multiply first. 7a square b square into a, or you can multiply a into this also. Next, here no symbol plus beta. Now monomial is multiplied with second term of binomial. Plus into plus, plus becomes. Now multiply monomial with second term of binomial. 7a square b square. Sorry, 7a square b square into b. What is beta? Binomial into monomial. Monomial contains less terms. So start from the algebraic expression which contains less terms. Monomial. So monomial is multiplied with each and every term of binomial. Monomial into first term of binomial. Again multiply symbols. Monomial into second term of binomial. Now multiply these two monomials. First multiply constants. Only one constant. Then multiply same variables. A power 2 into a, same variables are there. Write only one variable and the resulting power is sum of the powers. 2, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. More same variables not there. Different variable which is b, b power 2 plus. Now take here same variable is a. Sorry, constant is only one a, 7. Now multiply same variables. A, there is no same variable, only one, a power 2. B, same variable is there, write only one variable. And the resulting power is sum of the powers 2 plus 1 which gives 3. So that is we can multiply how binomial into monomial. Monomial into binomial, binomial into monomial, both same only. We'll start from the expression which has less terms. Then we'll see one more third one. Third one is 4pq square multiplied with p square minus q square. Now it is about the product of monomial with binomial. Same monomial with binomial. Here monomial second, binomial first. Here monomial first, binomial second. Though it is same process. We'll take the expression which has less number of terms. 2 terms binomial, 1 term monomial. So take only monomial and multiply the monomial with each and every term of binomial. Monomial is multiplied with first term of binomial. Same like this. Now monomial is multiplied with second term of binomial. Hope it is clear. First multiply symbols, plus into plus. If no symbol, plus symbol is there. Multiply these two. Monomial is multiplied with first term of binomial. Now multiply symbols, this both. I mean monomial is multiplied with second term of binomial. First multiply symbols. Here no symbol, plus between into plus into minus. Minus. Now monomial is multiplied with second term of binomial. 4pq square into q square. Next beta. Multiply monomial into monomial. First multiply constants 4. Multiply same variables p, no power 1. So when multiply same variables, write only one variable and the resulting power is sum of the powers 1 plus 2, 3. And more what? Q, only one variable. Power 2 minus. Now multiply this both, only one variable, sorry, only one constant 4. Multiply same variables p, there is no same variable, only one variable p. Q power 2, both same variable q, write only one variable and the resulting power is sum of the powers. When you are multiplying the same variables, write only one variable and the resulting power is obtained, sum of the powers. If only one variable is there, write it as it is with product. That's all. That is about how to multiply monomial with binomial. So let's see one more. Now let's see one more. X plus y minus 5. Fourth one. X plus y minus 5. This is trinomial. Multiply with monomial. Multiply with monomial. Multiplication of trinomial with monomial, or we can say multiplication of monomial with trinomial. Trinomial, monomial. Monomial contains less number of terms. Take the monomial. Now multiply this monomial with each and every term of trinomial. Which expression we can take? Which expression contains less number of terms? That we can take. With the help of that, multiply each and every term of other algebraic expression. Now monomial is multiplied with first term of trinomial. No symbol plus, no symbol plus, plus into plus. Here plus symbol is there, no symbol means. Monomial is multiplied with first term of trinomial. Monomial is multiplied with first term of trinomial. Keep in bracket. Next, this plus symbol also keep constant. Next, monomial is multiplied with second term of trinomial. No symbol plus beta, plus into plus, plus. Monomial 5xy is multiplied with second term of binomial. Now multiply monomial with last term of trinomial. First symbol plus into minus, minus. Monomial 5xy is multiplied with last term of trinomial. Then you can simplify like how to multiply monomial to monomial, you know. To multiply this both, first multiply constants. 5 into no constant 1, 5 1 5. Now multiply same variables x same variable, and the power is resulting power is sum of the powers 1 plus 1 2. Next, multiply same variables. More same variables are not there. Different variables there. Y, right, as it is product. Plus multiply constants only one. Multiply same variables x, no same variable only one, right. More same variables y, right, only one variable y, and the resulting power is sum of the powers 1 plus 1 2 minus. Multiply these two monomials. First multiply constants, then multiply same variables, then think about different variables. 5 5s are 25. Any same variables? No, different variables only. So different variables we can't multiply, right there with product. So this is the logic we can apply while multiplying different types of algebraic expressions.